Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about IBM Security Guardium. IBM Security Guardium is a very comprehensive data protection platform. Just uh, protecting our data, whether that's in the form of files we are having, or we are having the databases, or we are just dealing with the data in the form of the big data warehouses, data centers. So the IBM Security Guardian provide protection. Just keep eyes on the activities on the data which we are saying. Just keep observing what is happening on the data. So what exactly it is and how does it work in different version of the IBMs available. Uh, First of all, uh, we can say when we are just dealing with data, either that's in case of databases, database, okay, or that's in files. So IBM Security Guardian uh, offer two versions, whether for the databases monitoring, okay, or the file activity monitoring, database activity monitoring, and the file activity monitoring. So there are the two versions or are available. Some companies might be dealing with the huge amount of data they are having in the form of data into databases, and some kind of companies are dealing not too much of the big databases they are having. They are having the small databases or the files, and uh, they want to just protect, okay, or both of the versions they want to opt. Now the question comes, when we are saying IBM Security Guardian, what it can offer, how it can work, what the functionality it can use to protect our data from different kind of cyber attacks. First of all, when we are saying, okay, I have this data, and as per our company's objective, we want to categorize it, okay. So uh, when we implement the Guardian, it just try to it just start its action, and will find out or discover what kind of data in my scope, we can say. And after this discovering, it will say, okay, that's the data I have discovered, in which category I should put. We have defined the categories. We say, okay, this is the sensitive data, this is the publicly available data, this is for some other kind of categories we have defined. So just it will categorize into that one, and it also offer a variety of policies. Clear? So those policies might be, we want to say, okay, this is our sensitive data in some databases, or on some servers. What kind of activity is happening on it? What kind of change is happening on it? Who is accessing that data? What they are trying to do? So there are a lot of policies are available, and it's depend on the objective of our business, and any kind of we can say um, regulations or the compliance is implemented. If just you are dealing with the data that's related to um, patient, so the HIPAA will work on your database. So you need to follow the instructions, which type of information that is comes under the uh, uh, protected health information. Okay, so you need to mention it. Okay, this is when there is a phone number, it will just come to the into the PHI. Okay, so you need to define certain rules, set of rules which will applicable on your databases. So the Q IBM Security Guardian, it's just provide us the format of different compliance as well. Okay, Another thing is that when we have huge data and we want to know, is there can any kind of vulnerabilities exist on our database or the file system what we are using, or at the time of configuration might be we are not aware there is some kind of flaws. So just it will keep checking, is there any kind of vulnerability or flaws in uh, into the data or the databases, and it will tell us yes there is the auditing report. And on the centralized mm, repository, they uh, collect that report for the heterogeneous systems and give us, okay, this is the report. Clear. Uh, what else it can do? It can just give the real time monitoring so that we can understand, yes, if any kind of a misuse is happening, it will just stop. No, you don't have the right on certain database, and you are just trying to do it. It can protect our database. So QRadar, IBM Security Guardium, it is for protection of our data, and it's a wonderful product. And just keep, you can also try it, and just protect your data from different kind of attacks. You can keep monitoring what is happening on your database. Until unless you don't monitor, you will never come to know what is going on. So follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members, so that they can understand IBM Security Guardium, how it works, what the feature it can offer to you. See you in the next session. Namaste.